13.1, the last question, right? Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like. So remember this, okay? Box-like with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car. If it covers the bottom of the car, it will look funny, right? And then with the front faces as a flap, which can be rolled up, assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible. If you go back to our previous question, it was 5% extra area that we needed to find, right? But here, because the stitching margin is very small, therefore it is negligible. All right, how much tarpaulin would be required? All right, how much area would be required to make the shelter of height with base dimension 4 meter into 3 meter? So once again, they said box-like structure. We don't know whether it is a cube or a cuboid. But now if you look here, height has been given, the base dimension, right? If you look at the base, it will be something like this, right? And then they are different. You can see 4 into 3. That means my length is 4 and then my breadth is 3, right? So now I know the box is in the shape of a cuboid. So you can see I've written the length, breadth, and height. So you might have seen that people use this type of covers, right? Maybe to protect it from the dust or the rain. Same thing here, right? But now remember the box-like structure. What is the shape? It's in the shape of a cuboid. All right. So now let's find the total area required. Okay. So required area of the tarpaulin to make the shelter. So remember they said area of the four sides means what? Front, back, left, and right. And also I need the top area. Clear. So therefore area of the tarpaulin, see, area of the four side means it's like area of the four walls, right? What is the formula? Twice height, length plus breadth. And if you look at the top of the car, it will be length into breadth, because remember we don't find the bottom area, right? All right, so once you are done with it, let's start putting the values. Okay, I know that the length is how much? Length is 4 and then breadth is 3 and the height has been given to us as how much? 2.5, right? So I just have to put the value. So height is 2.5, length is 4, breadth is 3, and then again length into breadth is there, right? 4 into 3. So if you multiply these two, 2 into 2.5, you'll get 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 3s are 12. Then 5 7s are 35. Then 35 plus 12. So how much do we need? The area of the tarpaulin required is 47 meter square.